Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I have some interesting tech. Let's call it winter tech because I feel like that's when this is going to come the most in handy. It is the rechargeable hand warmer. Now, full disclosure, they did send me this for free to check out because I've actually never heard of hand warmers to begin with. But my first impressions and my opinions are of their own. So I guess here's a little mini unboxing, if you will. Here's their card, it looks like. Well, right away we get an adapter. It looks like an USB Type A to USB Type C adapter. That's pretty fun. Pretty cheeky, if you will. And this is the device itself. Let's see if there's anything else in the box first, though, shall we? Okay, good. I'm glad we did actually open that up all the way because there's an instruction pamphlet, there's a little pouch, and there is the USB Type A to USB Type C. Now, I will leave a link in the description below to the product if you'd like to check it out, but let's set the box aside and everything and actually see what this whole thing is about. Okay, so this is it. They sent me this color, which is fine because orange is actually my favorite color, but they do have a darker one if you want. And this is the whole product. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, press this button right here. Well, hold it. I don't know if you can see, but a light turned on. Actually, let's go ahead. Oh, wait, it actually is. Let's press the next button over. Double it. This is literally a hand warmer. Well, it's actually getting pretty warm. And then we have the third setting, which is the hottest setting, which in the winter time is going to be not life-saving, potentially life-saving, but at least hand-saving. Imagine you put one of these in your pocket, right? You'll have your coat pocket, and since it warms on both sides, you literally have your hands in your pocket. And, I can't get over how cool this is. That's also a bonus feature, which is honestly pretty brilliant. And I will show you guys right now. So this is my charging puck. This is my iPhone. I'm going to plug this into this. Okay? Right here. I'm plugging this into here because it's USB Type C. As you saw, the blue light came on indicating that it's plugged in. And then I'm just going to plug this to the back of here to look closely and see that it is in fact charging. So yes, this in a pinch can actually charge your device because it works both ways. You charge it, but in a pinch it can charge your device. So you'll have an emergency backup power bank as well as a hand warmer. I honestly think this is a good product. My first review slash impressions of this product is very good, actually. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know what you think of this product. Have you ever heard of it before? Do you have some just lying about at home? Let me know your opinions. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.